Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW i8 car. Begin by sketching simple geometric shapes to map proportions: rectangle for body, circles for wheels, and an oval for the cabin. Keep lines light and loose so you can refine shapes easily. Focus on wheelbase and cabin angle to nail the stance. Pause and compare to your reference, then refine outlines before adding details like headlights and vents. Now refine the basic shapes into smoother car body lines, paying attention to the i8's low roof and dramatic cabin slope. Tighten wheel arches and define the hood crease to show aerodynamic intent. Carve in the distinctive side vents and sculpted body panels with confident, deliberate strokes. Use an eraser to clean overlapping construction lines and step back to check proportions regularly. Keep adjustments subtle to preserve the. Next, add details that bring the i8 to life: headlights, side mirrors, grille, and wheel spokes. Use lighter strokes for reflections and darker strokes for shadows, following the car's contours. Apply cross-hatching and blending to show curvature and glossy surfaces, emphasizing contrast around vents and panel seams. Work slowly on wheels and tires to ensure correct perspective. Finally, rework highlights with an eraser to create crisp reflections and a polished look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.